say unscrew. They got threads, so I just unthreaded that one.
These aren't threaded.
They're not?
Nope.
Awesome. You sure?
Well, they might be on the one end.
Yeah.
God, I hate the way they package shit today, man.
I know. People get hurt trying to open some
Oh, I
of those
can
packages.
imagine. I bet people get busted with. I've already been cut with razor blades.
And yet they make this really groovy device that just
I guess
goes all the way around it.
they're doing it so.
Prevent theft. Well, yeah, but then people just steal everything with the package.
Does it go in there?
And if they can't get the package, they take the whole crate. Pop it out. Can't pop it out.
Justin.
Oh my God.
God.
Here we go.
Dreamliner. What? Well, that's good. You got it fixed. And he helped you out, though.
Rock and roll.